Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just thought I would do a really fast one for today. So 9 days ago I started off some hybrid cucumbers and you can see the progress. We have already have the secondary leaves happening on these, and these started off 3 days in and they had already started to germinate. You can see them popping out of the earth in these tiny pods. Anyway, I thought today I would just get them out of the little pods. I've already done 2 of them here because they are kind of screaming to get out of here because they really are housebound. And in here, I've got a little bit of Brussels sprouts. Now in my area, these will not yield any type of Brussels sprouts because our growing season is just too short, but I thought I would just start them off for fun. Anyway, I'm just going to show you what these look like. So these are hybrid, amazing little plants. I love these. So every flower on the plant will yield a little cucumber. So you can see all the roots in here. Look at this. Look at the roots. I don't want to flip it out, it's going to break apart, but you can see all of those roots in there. So this really needs to be replanted, so I just get it in like that. I find in very tight spaces a little set of tongs are really easy. They're super good to just get right in there and pull everything out. So I've got that, and I'm just going to grab some soil here and just get that in and just get it all around and lock that in. So this is day 9 of these. So I started off the process 9 days ago only, and you can see how nice these plants are already. And judging from the size, I'd say that I started these off much too quickly or much too early, because our growing season here, very short, and I don't want to put anything in the ground before June the 1st. We just had 2 nights of frost a couple of nights ago. So very cold start to our season here for spring. So we'll just go in again. I've just got these little tweezers, so go right in, and I just give a little bit of a pull, and you can see how nicely that just comes out. Look at that. Look at the roots on that. And just get that in like that. And we'll get a little bit of soil around there. It's amazing, just moving these plants around a little bit, you can actually smell cucumber. Just moving them around, they're just giving off that little bit of a scent. Let's get some more in here, and that's good. These are going to get transplanted again, but for now this is a good little midway size container to start with. There we go. So that looks good. Maybe a little bit more on this one here. That one's a little bit low. And that's good. Just like that. So there we go. And I've had these are Brussels sprouts, and I've had these under grow lamps. My grow lamps go on about 8 o'clock in the morning and shut off at 11 o'clock at night, and they do seem a little bit leggy though. So I'm not sure why, because I've had the lamps very close to the plants, the top plants maybe about that far away, and the lights that I'm using are pretty high quality, so I don't know, maybe that's normal for this type of plant. I'd have to look into it. But anyway, there we have it. So you can see how nice these are coming along. Really impressed with the progress of these in only 9 days. So that's it for this really fast video. As these progress, I'll do a few more videos on the cucumbers. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.